So I'm going to talk about variables and data types, specifically character, integer, bool, double, and float. These are the most simple variables and data types. So you can include stuff like void, but that's a bit more complex, and I'll go more into that later. Character is in specific single characters. So this is good for getting an initial, a yes/no response, and the first letter of a word. So in this case, if a user types, let's say their name, type Colby, and then we have a character that is equal to CN, it'll be just C. So this can be helpful when you're just trying to get that first integer and want to save, or first character and want to save room where you can. The integer in this case is specifically a whole number, so it's only really useful for simplistic calculations like how many times something has happened or some more basic math. Uh, Double is a larger version that can also include non-whole numbers as well as float. They are both pretty similar, but double can hold 64 bits and float can only hold 32, so double the float. These are for very intense calculations and intense calculations. And then we have bool, which will return a true or a false value depending on whether or not you check. And this can be used very well for if statements where you just want to check if something's true or not. Then we can check here using a bool if it has happened. So yeah,